First, we perform this multiplication. 4 over 5 multiplied by 5. The 5 cancels with the other 5, and only 4 remains. In the end, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. But this answer is not correct. Why? Because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics. This rule is called the order of operations. So what is the order of operations? Whenever a mathematical expression contains different operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponents, roots, and parentheses, we cannot solve it in any random way. These operations must be carried out in a specific order to reach the correct answer. To understand this better, consider this example. 6 minus 3 multiplied by 2. If we subtract 6 minus 3 first, we get 3. Then 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. But if we multiply first, 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. Then 6 minus 6 equals 0. So which answer is correct, 0 or 6? To avoid confusion in mathematics, scholars long ago agreed on a universal rule that tells us the correct order to follow. This rule is known by the short name PEMDAS. Each letter in PEMDAS represents a step. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents and roots. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we begin with anything inside parentheses. After that, we calculate exponents and roots. Next, we perform multiplication and division from left to right. Finally, we complete addition and subtraction from left to right. Multiplication and division share the same priority, so we move from left to right and solve whichever appears first. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. Now let us solve a few examples. Before we continue, please like this video right now. And if you want more lessons like this, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments and I will definitely answer. First example, 5 minus 1 multiplied by 5 minus 1. We start by solving inside the parentheses. 5 minus 1 equals 4. The expression becomes 5 minus 1 multiplied by 4. Since multiplication comes before subtraction, we multiply first. 1 multiplied by 4 equals 4. Then we subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. The final answer is 1. Next example, 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1. First, solve inside the parentheses. 2 plus 1 equals 3. The expression becomes 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. Because division and multiplication have equal priority, we move from left to right. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Then 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. The final answer is 6. Now another example. 5 squared minus 3 multiplied by 5 divided by the square root of 9. First, calculate inside the parentheses. 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15. Next, handle exponents and roots. 5 squared equals 25. The square root of 9 equals 3. The expression becomes 25 minus 15 divided by 3. Since division comes before subtraction, we divide first. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Finally, subtract. 25 minus 5 equals 20. The final answer is 20. Now let us return to the original question. 8 divided by 4 over 5 multiplied by 5. Here we have division and multiplication together. According to PEMDAS, we move from left to right. First, solve 8 divided by 4 over 5. To divide by a fraction, we use the KCF rule. Keep the first number, change division to multiplication, and flip the fraction. So 8 divided by 4 over 5 becomes 8 multiplied by 5 over 4. 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. Then multiply 10 by 5. 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50. So the correct answer is 50, not 2. Thank you for watching this lesson.